it's Eugenia. So today I thought I would do a video trying like a Euphoria makeup look. I was pretty late to the whole Euphoria thing, you guys. I feel like everybody started watching it like 2 years ago or something when it came out. I finally seen it now. It's a really good show. The season 2 finale was, I think, like probably close to a month ago now. But you know, I feel like I'm not too late to do this. So yeah, I thought today I would do that. I really think a lot of the makeup looks on Euphoria are so cool, and I thought it'd be cool to try that up myself. I guess I will just go ahead and get right into the video. So first of all, I'm just gonna moisturize my face. Guess it's always good to do that. Just using my Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer. I'm gonna be taking my Armani foundation now. I used to use the Armani primer, just like the Maestro UV, and then the Armani Luminous Silk. By the way, you guys, I don't know like why I didn't say this in the beginning of the video, but if you guys saw the Euphoria finale, I won't spoil it in case like anyone hasn't watched it yet. Wow, that episode was crazy. For my concealer, I'm using the Jeffree Star Magic Star. I'm just gonna like, you know, kind of do like the rest of my like base face makeup. That's all pretty simple stuff, I'd say. And all right, you guys, so my base kind of like face makeup is all done now. So now I'm gonna start doing like the makeup that is gonna be actually like more Euphoria-like, guys. That's what I'm gonna try to do anyway. I've been looking at a bunch of pictures from the show, just kind of taking inspiration from there. I don't think I'm gonna exactly like, I guess, like replicate like an exact look, but kind of take like inspiration from different photos and different things that I see in the show a lot. So one of the pictures that I've seen a lot, guys, that I think is super cool is this picture of Maddie. So 3 things that I really like about Euphoria makeup. Number 1, there's a lot of colors, and I obviously love colorful makeup. Number 2, there's a lot of face jewels, which I think is super, super cool. Also, there's a lot of glitter, which I love glitter. It was like this picture of like Maddie with like blue eyeshadow and jewels and stuff. I thought that was a super cool look she did. I love blue eyeshadow. Blue is like one of my favorite colors for eyeshadow. So I thought today I would maybe do that kind of look for eyeshadow. I'm actually gonna use like a base today. I got like these P. Louise bases. I'm kind of new to this name, but I've heard a lot about them like here on YouTube and also on TikTok. Did I get a brush for this? I really don't know. Whatever, we'll make this work. Okay. It might not be shaped perfectly. That's okay, we can always clean it up later. This is probably really like crazy to people, you guys, but okay. Before I actually even started watching Euphoria, I would hear so much about the makeup. So I didn't know that like it was the kind of show it was. And like I literally thought it was like a makeup show. I was like, oh cool, that's like that makeup show, right? Whoa, okay, I'm messing up. I gotta be careful. Oh no, wait, where did I put the cap? I lost it a while ago and like I could not find it for like the life of me. And then luckily it was like right on the side of my couch here. My mom actually found it because like I'm not good at looking for things. But oh my gosh, now I lost the cap. Oh, here it is. Okay, but yeah, before I lost like the entire product and I was like, what am I gonna do? I am gonna be using my Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. Obviously, this is great if you like blue eyeshadow because so many blue eyeshadows here. Whoops. I'm just like dropping everything today. It's so bad. Let's try to like not drop things this time. Guys, where did I put my mirror? There it is. Okay, I was gonna like freak out for a second. Do I want to blend this out much? I don't know. I mean, I guess I probably should use some of these colors too to just kind of blend out a little bit. And just kind of get like in the corner and under my eye. have on all the blue eyeshadow. I love blue eyeshadow, so far I'm pretty happy with this. You guys probably know I never feel like myself without like a lot of eyeliner. Luckily for a Euphoria kind of look, I feel like I can do that. All right, so for my waterline, I'm actually going to be using a blue liner today. This is the liner I bought pretty recently, guys, at Sephora. It's Fenty Beauty. What is it called? I think it's called Lady Lagoon, if I'm like reading the right part of this. And it just like applies like super pigmented and blue. I love it. I think it's like such a cool blue. So literally this is like my favorite blue liner right now. And now I'm taking what's been like my favorite liner for like ever, my Anastasia Jet Liner here. And I'm just gonna try kind of doing a really dramatic line. Just realized I maybe should have had my ring light on a little bit brighter. Like, wow, what a professional YouTube makeup person I am, right? But I'm sorry, hopefully that's better. I love how I'm like halfway through the video probably by now and just realizing that, hey, that got a little thick. Maybe not the best line I've ever drawn. That's okay, we can fix it. Okay, I kind of want to try doing something like different today. Let me warn you guys, like, let's all pray that this goes okay. I'm happy with it so far. I don't feel like it's coming too bad. Things could go downhill with me doing this, so let's all pray that this works. If it doesn't, this will be really sad. I'm gonna just kind of try to do like a cool like shape kind of thing. Not too bad. Is it perfect? Definitely not. You know, it's maybe not the most perfect line in the world. How do I make it like thinner on the end? I'm really trying, guys. But I don't think it's awful. And now I'm gonna do the inner corner. Moving on to the next thing now. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is lashes. Gotta do lashes. These have been like my favorite lashes right now. I'm obsessed with these. These are the Lily lashes in Miami. Let's put them on. All right, you guys, I got my lashes on now. I know putting lashes on is like really easy. And I'm probably like the only person that sometimes has like a little bit of trouble like getting them on. I can get them on and everything, but sometimes I feel like they look, I've had days where I feel like they've been like a little bit off. I've been kind of like running a little bit low on lash glue. I use like the Duo, just like brush on lash glue. So I bought another one recently. It's like brand new and it was so weird. I had to use like my old one because this one had these like little white dots, like little white thingies. And like also like it seemed really dry. There's like nothing going on. So I'm like, I just ordered it from Sephora. I don't know if I go back, like maybe they can do something. I kind of bought it a while ago though, so I don't know, but I guess like good thing I had the old one today. To do like Euphoria makeup, I feel like you gotta do the jewels. And yeah, I love the face jewels on the show. I always think they look so cool on, and they go really crazy with the jewels. Like they put a lot of them on. I'm probably literally gonna put more of these on than I've ever put on in my life. I'm gonna try to be careful not to lose any. So yeah, I'm using my ColourPop ones, you guys. And I got this back from when they had their Nightmare Before Christmas collection. They also have kind of like a cool like holographic look. I feel like it should be really perfect. All right, you guys, so it took me forever. But as you can see, I finally now have a bunch of face jewels on. Oh my gosh, I am like literally obsessed with these. I think they look so cool on. I know that maybe my application wasn't perfect. I just kind of did it with like my fingers because I don't have an applicator. I just found out those are a thing and I'm like, I should probably buy one. It would probably make this way easier. So it's a little bit hard just like applying them by yourself, just like using your fingers. But eventually it took me forever. I really hope these don't fall off. Like I'm so afraid. For now, I think they look really cool. I really love these face jewels. Obviously Euphoria makeup has a lot of glitter. Like I've seen some pictures of like Rue, for example, where she just has like the cool glitter tears. Of course, I want to do glitter today. Or I use like actual like glitter or whatever. I also thought it would be cool to use my Jeffree Star Extreme Frost Highlighter because like these are actually like very kind of like sparkly and like glittery looking. This is in the shade Gag Me. I thought it would go good with like the blue today, where this is kind of like a blue tone one. Oh my gosh, I am like so afraid of touching these jewels right now and just like ruining everything. Also doing the nose because, you know guys, I feel like Euphoria looks are like really intense. Just gonna put that all over there. As you can see, also from ColourPop Nightmare Collection, like a bunch of it like came out. I was like, why is this like all like, not like dirty, but you know, like there's this like, I was like, oh, just like all the product is just coming out. And I was like, what happened? So I don't know. Maybe I didn't put it back carefully enough last time. I feel so stupid. But I really like this glitter. It's just kind of like purpley and cool. Let's hope I don't mess this up. I'd probably say that Rue is probably my favorite character in the show. Whoa, okay, a lot of glitter. Especially this season, I always see so many people talking about Maddie and Cassie. And don't get me wrong, they're great too. You know, I think all the characters are really cool. I think Zendaya is super talented. All the cast is really talented though. Vesco's a great character too. And like, oh my gosh, you guys, like with him and Ashtray, I'll just say like, I was not ready for that. I was not expecting that. Oh my gosh, my camera's like about to run out of battery. So, all right, you guys, this glitter I actually think looks so cool. Yeah, I really need to start wearing this glitter more because I actually think that it looks so cool on. I'm sorry, I know I probably didn't apply it like perfect. I think it is like super pretty for this kind of Euphoria look. I'm gonna like keep the focus kind of like mainly on my eyes and just all the sparkles and glitter and everything. This is like my favorite nude shade. The Jeffree Star I'm Nude lipstick. I'm also gonna use a gloss, which is Ice Cold. And this lip gloss I also feel like just kind of goes with this kind of look. I just feel like with all the sparkles and glitter and everything, it like really works. So yeah, something else that I was kind of thinking of maybe doing today. This isn't exactly inspired by any like certain picture. I feel like Euphoria, like a lot of the makeup just kind of has like cool shapes or cool little designs. I have like my Milk makeup stamps. I kind of want to use the star today. That's like my favorite. They just discontinued that one. Now I have to find like a new one. I know Milk makeup would never be watching this, son. Probably doesn't care, but I'm just like, Milk, bring back the star, please. I'm gonna put this on. I feel like this just goes with kind of like Euphoria kind of makeup. So I'm like, where am I gonna put this with all the jewels? And I'm so scared. I'm just like, I don't want them to fall off. I also don't want to put it like over the glitter and it doesn't work. Like maybe here. Okay. It kind of didn't show up with the glitter. Should I try again? I don't want to mess it up. Maybe I can make it like a double star thing. All right, other side. As much as I love my stamps, they might not be the most ideal thing with all the glitter, but I don't think it looks bad. Star is like kind of not there. Maybe eyeliner can fix it. Maybe. Let's see what I can do here. Let's see. Like, can you draw over glitter? Yeah, you can. Now I know. It's getting worse. This might not have been a good idea. Like, how are people so talented, guys? Like, how do people like literally just like draw shapes on their face? Okay, well, that is definitely far from perfect. Let's try to fix this side while we're at it, I guess. Okay, well, I kind of feel like I'm just making it worse, and I wouldn't say that that's like my proudest work there. Using my Jeffree Star Holy Mist here. And okay. And all right, you guys, I think that now I am just about done. I hope you guys liked my Euphoria inspired makeup today. I really tried to do a good job on it. For the most part, I actually think the makeup turned out really cool. It kind of makes me like want to wear like face jewels and glitter on my face more and stuff. Now the star definitely could have been better. I don't know, I guess that the glitter in my stamp didn't really work out as perfectly as maybe I would have liked. But besides that, thank you all so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video, I guess. You guys can subscribe if you want to see whenever I post a new video. This actually took me a really long time to do this, so it's like nighttime right now. I'm gonna have to like take it off so soon. At least it looks cool. I'm gonna definitely keep it on for a bit. I really hope these face jewels go on, so I'm gonna continue trying to get them to not fall off and stuff. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye!